Hello! If your joystick isn't working properly, you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to fix analog drift. Now, what is analog drift or controller drift? It's when the game detects movement from the joystick when there is none. For example, when you move the joystick up, then let it spring back to default position, the game still thinks you're moving the joystick up. This seems to be a universal issue for all gaming companies, not just Nintendo, and it's completely ridiculous that none of them have even addressed this issue. Luckily, there's a very easy way to clean it without any disassembly, customization, or costly repairs needed. Here's what to do. First, you want to completely drain your controller's battery. This is just an extra precaution, as your controller will be damaged if it's turned on during the process. You will need some Q-tips, a cup, and an alcohol-based cleaner. Rubbing alcohol, contact cleaner doesn't really matter. Second, pour a tiny amount of alcohol into the cup. Wet the Q-tip, then bring it up to the underside of the joystick. Now this next step will vary depending on the type of controller you're using, but your goal is to clean around the joystick and get the alcohol to seep into the actual socket. For the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, there's a rubber skirt around the joystick. You can pry this up using the Q-tip, but you might find it easier to hold it up using tweezers. Once the cover is pried up, you want to scrub as hard as you can around the entire joystick, ensuring that the alcohol gets inside the mechanism. Repeat this process of reapplying alcohol to the Q-tip to prying up the cover and scrubbing all around until you cover the entire joystick, and make sure you get it very thoroughly. Once you're done with this process, wait for the alcohol to dry overnight, just to be safe. It should work perfectly fine in the morning, after you recharge it of course. I hope this video works for you. Thanks for watching!